What is now? Is your now the same as mine? If you're on Mars, your now is minutes apart from mine on Earth. Light takes time to travel, so what we see is always a little bit in the past. The present moment isn't as universal as it feels. Is time a cosmic constant or something our minds create? Did humans invent time, or is it woven into the universe itself? We talk about time flowing like a river, but is that just a metaphor? The universe doesn't run on a single master clock. What we see in the night sky is the past, not the present. Our sense of time is shaped by how we measure and experience it. The cosmos operates on scales that dwarf human life. Billions of years for stars, trillions for galaxies. Our lives are a blink in this cosmic story. Ancient civilizations saw time differently than we do today. Our understanding of time is shaped by culture and technology. So, is time an objective reality or a story we tell ourselves? Let's dig deeper into this question. The truth might be more wondrous than we imagine. Humans live by the clock. Alarms, meetings, countdowns. But clocks are inventions, tools we made to measure something we call time. Before clocks, people used the sun, moon, and stars to track days and seasons. The segmentation of time into hours and minutes is a recent development. These tools help us coordinate and organize society. But does measuring time make it real, or just useful? Enter Einstein. His theory of relativity shattered the idea of absolute time. Time is not constant. It stretches and shrinks depending on speed and gravity. Travel near light speed and time slows for you. Near a black hole, time slows too. This isn't science fiction. GPS satellites must account for these effects. Einstein unified space and time into space-time, warped by mass and energy. Time is part of the universe's structure, not just a human concept. Yet our experience of time is filtered through our inventions and perceptions. We measure time, but what we're really measuring is change. Our clocks are just one way to keep track. Time is both a cosmic reality and a human story. The mystery deepens. Ancient cultures saw time differently, often as a cycle, not a line. The Maya tracked vast cycles of creation and destruction. For them, time was a repeating rhythm, not a march toward an unknown future. Hindu philosophy describes immense cycles called yugas, epochs lasting millions of years. The universe is born, dissolves, and is reborn. These views emphasize renewal and interconnectedness, not anxiety about running out of time. The Greeks had two words for time: chronos and kairos. Chronos is measurable, sequential time, the ticking of the clock. Kairos is the opportune moment, the right time for action. Chronos is quantity, kairos is quality. Our modern world is obsessed with chronos, but life's turning points are kairos. This ancient distinction reminds us time isn't just something to measure, but something to experience. Endings are beginnings, patterns repeat. Time is both relentless and full of opportunity. Our ancestors saw time as a dance, not a deadline. Maybe we should too. The story of time is richer than we think. Modern physics challenges our common sense view of time. In quantum mechanics, some equations don't even include time. Maybe time isn't fundamental, but something that emerges from deeper laws. The block universe theory suggests all moments, past, present, future, exist simultaneously. The flow of time could be an illusion, a trick of consciousness. If the future already exists, what does that mean for free will? At the quantum level, before and after get fuzzy, cause and effect can blur. Particles can influence each other instantly, defying our sense of time's arrow. The smooth flow of time may break down at the tiniest scales. The universe is stranger than we ever imagined. If physics doesn't prefer a direction for time, why do we feel it moving forward? The answer may be entropy, a measure of disorder. The second law of thermodynamics says entropy always increases in an isolated system. A tidy room gets messy, a hot drink cools. Order gives way to disorder. The universe began in a low entropy state and has been getting messier ever since. This increase in entropy defines the arrow of time. The past was more ordered, the future will be more chaotic. Entropy gives time its direction, but doesn't explain why we it passing. Is time just a statistical phenomenon, a result of the universe's starting conditions? Entropy is a clue, but not the whole story. Our brains play a huge role in how we experience time. Memory lets us revisit the past, anticipation lets us imagine the future. Without these, time would be just a series of disconnected moments. Our perception of time stretches and shrinks. Time flies when we're engaged, drags when we're bored. Emotional state, attention, and age all shape our sense of time. In dreams, time can be bizarre and non-linear, yet feels real. Our minds are like time editing suites, crafting stories from moments. Maybe we didn't invent time, but we invented our experience of it. Our brains build a narrative, a story unfolding in time. This story helps us survive, but it's only one version of reality. So, what is time? A cosmic river, a ticking clock, or something else? Physics suggests time might be an emergent phenomenon or even an illusion. Maybe time is simply change if nothing changed. Would time exist? Some say time is just a way to measure relationships between events. Our perception of time helps us process the universe's constant flux. Humans are storytellers. Time is the framework for our narratives. Ancient philosophies saw time as cycles, opportunities, and stories. Time is measurement, chance, cosmic rhythm, and personal experience. Maybe time isn't one thing but a complex interplay of processes and stories. The mystery remains. We've explored the now, cosmic theories, and the mind's role in shaping time. Clocks and calendars are our inventions, but the universe may have its own time. We don't have all the answers, and that's exciting. Science is about discovery, and time is one of its greatest puzzles. Every new insight adds to the mystery. So wonder about time. The next time you check your watch, pause and reflect. Is time a river, a dimension, an illusion, or a story? Keep asking questions. The universe is full of wonders. The mystery of time is one of its greatest.